Zelda MIG 500DP is new patented double-pulse synergic MIG-MAG inverter welding machine, 3-phase 380 voltage input and generator friendly. The machine manufactured under strict European specifications. Compared to the old one, the new model improve efficiency and performance by reducing the switching losses. Soft switching techniques also improve the power quality and reduces the interference with other devices. With a strong trolley in the back, modern overall design, it's top professional MIG welder with synergic system and with an integrated water tank, suitable for welding all kinds of stainless and carbon steels, as well as magnesium/silicon and copper aluminum. Includes specific configurations for MMA-coated electrodes, simple pulse, double pulse, fab and manual mode. Best no splatter spray mode in all positions thanks to pulse. Includes sequence modes 2T, 4T and spot. Able to weld any angle, such as flat welding, vertical welding, horizontal welding, overhead welding with 100 duty cycle and excellent welding performance. The machine can keep working for the whole day without any problem. Suitable for welding different size of wires with high duty cycle. Now this model is selling to countries from Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. The customers are happy with the quality and keep buying. If you need a perfect MIG device with optimal performance for aluminum welding, please choice from Zelda. Welcome to join Zelda. We're looking for exclusive agents all over the world.